Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Jasmine Nicole. If you're new, before we get into today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share my video with anyone you think may enjoy my videos or enjoy my content. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Jasmine Nicole. Okay, so today's video, I'm really excited to show you guys. I'm gonna be decorating my patio. Now my patio is weirdly shaped. It's kind of elongated and it doesn't have much depth to it. It's only like 5 feet long across. So I don't have much to work with, but I do want to make the best of my space, and so that's what we're going to be doing today. Now we are just going to be working on a portion of the patio, because the other portion I really want to put like an egg chair over there, and y'all know those egg chairs are expensive, so until I can get one of those, we're just going to leave that side alone. So we're going to be working on this side today. Okay guys, so before we start decorating, of course we have to start off with a clean slate. So now you just see me cleaning everything before we get to decorating. Okay y'all, so we finished cleaning. Now it's time to start decorating. If you are curious on like the items I'm putting out, I do have a patio haul that's on my channel. I'll link it down below in the description box, so yeah, that should answer all your questions. But this rug is the bottom layer. It's like a rustic rug that I'm going to be using, and I feel like it just streams boho and it looks really good. So yeah, I'm just using this as the bottom portion because I'm going to be layering some rugs. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is the rug that I'm going to be layering over the base rug. I'm trying to figure out like where exactly I'm going to position them, but I ended up just positioning both of them on the ends of the base rug. So yeah, that's what I came up with. Now I'm just gonna move the furniture back to its original spot, and then you're gonna see me play around with this ottoman for a few moments, because I was trying to figure out what best way to make it look good but also make it functional. If you see me set up my patio set, I was playing around with different configurations of this set, and originally you're just supposed to put this like the love seat in the middle and the ottoman in front, and then the 2 seats on the side. But the way my patio is set up, it wasn't gonna function really good like that, so I just decided to put the love seat on the end, the ottoman, and then put the 2 seats on the other side. So yeah. Okay guys, so now that I figured out where I wanted each piece of furniture and the rugs and I'm satisfied, I'm just going to go in with this Scotch Guard. This is the Sun and Water Scotch Guard and it's made specifically for patio furniture. So I'm going to hit the rugs with that, and then now I'm just going to grab the other rug and place that on the other side. So that's basically what I'm doing here. Okay, so now it's time to add my pillows. And again, if you're wondering where I got everything from, I do have a patio haul and I'll link it down below. But y'all, these pillows, what I think, in my opinion, I think that the pillows is what brought out my patio. Like, if you don't get anything else from this video, from this decor, just get some pillows for your patio. I promise you it's gonna take it up to the next level. It's gonna take your patio furniture to the next level. So yeah, and now I'm just spraying that Scotch Guard on my pillows as well. So okay, so now we're gonna go in with my plants, you guys. For the life of me, I cannot think of what the name of these plants are, but they go so good on this patio, and they are outdoor plants. They look like they come from the sea, but I'm sorry, I don't know the name of these plants. But I am hitting the plants with the Scotch Guard as well. Basically, everything that's going outdoors on your patio, hit it with the Scotch Guard. I mean, literally everything. My furniture has the Scotch Guard on there. You might even need to put the Scotch Guard on yourself, because honey, it was hot outside. Okay. But yeah, so I'm just hitting it with the Scotch Guard and placing them where I think they would look best. And yeah. Okay guys, so now it's time to assemble my fire pit. This is a prime example. So you guys, I really wanted a huge fire pit, either the one that stands alone or like a table, like a huge tabletop. But you guys, my table, as you can see, my ottoman is not that huge, and then the top is glass. So to put something so huge on top of glass, it just wasn't going to work out. So this is a great example of do what works for your space, whether that's in your home, anything. Do what works for your space. Don't try to overdo it just because it looks beautiful. Do what works for your space. So I found this small fire pit, tabletop fire pit, and it works perfectly on my little table, and it's just as beautiful. I haven't lit it up because I have to get like the bioethanol, like the flameless what it is, oil. So I haven't seen how it looks like with actual flames in it in person, but I can imagine it looking beautiful because it looks beautiful. Okay guys, so with the string lights, I originally wanted to do something connecting the fence to the house, but it just didn't work out like that. So I just ended up waiting for my dad to come over for him to figure something out with my string lights because they're gonna go up. We just had to figure out where. So yeah. Okay y'all, so here's what we have so far with the actual patio decor. It looks really good. A bug, let me see if I can, a bug decided to fall from up there down on my new pillow, and I'm so scared to go look at it and go brush it off. Like, he literally just died right before our eyes. But anyways, this is what it's looking like. It looks really good. And good news, I can take my third rug that's like this and put it in my house. So that's nice. And yeah, I'm gonna come back because I'm gonna have to ask my daddy to bring his nail gun so I can hang my things up. I want to hook it up from the fence to the house, do something like that. I think that'll be pretty. So